Before we begin, I want you to listen very carefully, all the way until the end, because there is one important cosmic message coming through for twin flames this month that most people will completely overlook. This final revelation could change how you see your connection, your timing, and your destiny, so stay with me till the end. Welcome, beautiful souls. Today, we're diving into the twin flame energies for January 2026, your love connection, your soul growth, and how the planetary movements are influencing both you and your divine counterpart. January opens with incredibly powerful alignment energy. We have the Sun, Venus, and Mars activating together in Capricorn during the early part of the month. This is not soft or dreamy energy. This is grounded, serious, destiny-driven love energy. Capricorn brings responsibility, maturity, karmic lessons, long-term vision, and soul contracts. For twin flames, this means truth cannot be avoided anymore. Illusions dissolve, emotional games end. The universe is asking, are you ready for real alignment, not fantasy? Venus represents love, self-worth, attraction, and emotional bonding. Mars represents action, courage, desire, and movement. When they unite with the Sun, your inner masculine and feminine energies are being recalibrated. Many twin flames will feel stronger urges to speak their truth, make decisions, or finally close old cycles that no longer serve the soul. This is a month of spiritual adulthood in love. The full moon energy at the beginning of the month activates emotional cleansing and subconscious release. Old emotional wounds, abandonment, rejection, betrayal, childhood triggers may surface. This is not to punish you, but to liberate you. You may notice heightened sensitivity, vivid dreams, telepathic pull toward your twin, or sudden realizations about your patterns in relationships. The universe is gently but firmly removing emotional blocks that have delayed harmony. If emotions feel intense, breathe through them instead of reacting. Healing accelerates when awareness replaces resistance. Mercury moving forward supports clearer communication, honest conversations, and mental clarity. Many twin flames finally understand why certain delays or separations happened. Truth becomes easier to accept without emotional drama. Jupiter continues expanding spiritual wisdom and faith. You may feel guided to deepen meditation, energy healing, spiritual learning, or service work. Your intuition strengthens significantly this month. Saturn in Pisces continues dissolving karmic illusions and emotional dependency patterns. This pushes you toward emotional sovereignty, spiritual maturity, and healthy boundaries, essential foundations for divine union. You are becoming stronger, wiser, and more emotionally centered, even if it feels uncomfortable at times. For twin flame love and connection energy, the Capricorn energy asks twin flames to build something real, not just emotional longing, but emotional stability, respect, consistency, and aligned values. Some twin flames may experience serious conversations about commitment, future plans, healing past wounds, or redefining the connection. Others may feel guided to detach from unhealthy cycles that keep repeating. Mid-month energy shifts into Aquarius vibration, bringing freedom, higher perspective, innovation, and soul friendship energy. Love becomes less possessive and more conscious. This supports healthy individuality within union. This phase teaches twin flames how to love without control, fear, or dependency, allowing the bond to breathe and evolve naturally. Communication improves, emotional intelligence increases, and many twins reconnect mentally and energetically before physical movement occurs. January exposes where ego still controls love. Fear of abandonment, fear of rejection, fear of vulnerability, or fear of surrender may surface. But here's the breakthrough. When you choose self-respect over attachment, alignment happens faster. When you choose authenticity over people-pleasing, union becomes magnetized naturally. This month teaches you that love is not chasing, love is alignment. Now here is the important detail I asked you to stay for. January 2026 is not just activating romantic alignment, it is clearing karmic emotional memory stored deep within your subconscious and energetic field. This means many of the emotional reactions you've carried from childhood, past lives, and ancestral patterns are being released permanently. If you've noticed sudden emotional shifts, detachment from old triggers, or feeling lighter without knowing why, this is energetic rewiring. Your nervous system is learning safety in love. Your heart is learning to trust again. Your soul is preparing for a stable, conscious union, whether internally first or externally soon after. This is not a coincidence. This is divine timing unfolding quietly behind the scenes. Trust what is leaving. Trust what is aligning. Trust your growth. If this reading resonated with your twin flame journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Your story helps others feel less alone on this path. If you feel guided to go deeper into your healing and union journey, you'll find links in the description below for my Twin Flame course, my guided meditation program for healing, alignment, and union, and personalized tarot and energy reports for clarity and soul guidance. These tools are designed to support your spiritual growth, emotional healing, and divine alignment. Thank you for being here, beautiful soul. Until next time, trust the journey, trust the timing, and trust your heart.